Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So Howard's originally sold this car from new, and it's got a full service history with us as well. It comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car there's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 17,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.